He said LOL.
Fantastic. Before we come to your outfit, let's talk about the comedy industry for a bit. Thank you.
You know, with music, Afrobeat, they have a streaming platform, iTunes, Spotify, and other platforms. With movies, they have streaming platform, Prime Video, and the rest of them. Now, with comedy, where do you go and watch Nigerian stand-up comedy? Not skits, stand-up comedy. You know, except you're following the person's page and all that, or probably sometimes on YouTube. The YouTube clips are mostly from recorded, shows. Sometimes they play a space. This is that space, and this opens us up to about like 195 countries across the world, and I think it's a great opportunity for Nigerian comedians to showcase their talent and sell themselves to the rest of the world. And yeah, this is a good one for us. This is a win. Yeah.
The idea behind LOL, Last One Laughing, is it's a comedy competition show. It's a crazy comedy competition show where 10 of Nigeria's best comedians have to make each other laugh, and they only have 6 hours to do that. So they can't laugh themselves though. So they have to try to make everyone else laugh by doing the craziest, stupidest, maddest things. Nigeria for us is such a wonderful market for comedy. We know that Nigerian comedians are some of the world's best comedians, and yet they don't always have the chance to be seen globally and even be seen nationally. So for us to put this on Prime Video is to give everyone access in the same day, same time, to see all these great comedians doing what they do best.
It's a lineup of people who are basically at the top of their game in all the genres of comedy, skit making, stand-up, acting. So I'm expecting to be cracked up throughout tonight.
I think that the world needs to see how talented Nigerians are. Nigerians are really funny people. Not even only the people who are in the craft of stand-up. I mean, if I wanted to get an idea for a stand-up performance, I'll probably just look around and just hear what the average ordinary Nigerian is saying. And you'll be sure to find some jokes there. So Nigerians are really brilliant in comedy. And I like that we can finally export that properly. I think it's exciting.
It's a comedy show like never seen before. It's it's a format that we've done in different countries all over the world, Canada, Europe, and parts of America and South America. So it's really, if I would summarize it, you have like a bunch of top comedians. They're in one place and they're trying to make each other laugh and see who goes out first and who is the last person standing, hence the last one laughing. But as you know, I'm told by the comedians that they are the ones who laugh the most at their own jokes. So it will be interesting to see the dynamic. But in doing that, you see drama, you see emotions, you see all those things. So it's not just this typical stand-up where someone gives a line, you laugh at the joke. There's so much else happening, inclusive of skits, jokes, whatever you can do to make the other person laugh is what people are going to try. Very spontaneous, very unpredictable, so you see anything and just kind of watch out for the surprises.
I'm a big fan of comedy. I think it's one of those things that unite everybody in Nigeria, regardless of what part of the country you're from. Everybody understands the language of humor, and I'm really just here very excited to see that come to life.
Yeah, let's see what we have. Let's see how it goes. Let's see the show.